In a sunny meadow, a slow and steady turtle named Timmy watched as a colorful butterfly fluttered gracefully through the air. "I wish I could move as fast as you," Timmy said, feeling a bit discouraged about his own slow pace. The butterfly landed gently on a flower and replied, "Don't be discouraged, Timmy. Everyone has their own way of reaching their goals. You just have to keep going." One day, there was a big race in the meadow, and many animals joined, including the turtle. As the race began, the butterfly soared quickly ahead, while Timmy took one slow step at a time. Many animals rushed past Timmy, but he didn't give up. He remembered the butterfly's words and kept moving, even though it seemed like he was far behind. After some time, the fast animals got tired and stopped for a rest, but Timmy kept going, step by step. By the time he reached the finish line, he had won the race. The butterfly fluttered down and said, "See? Patience and persistence helped you reach your goal." Moral: patience and persistence help us reach our goals.